Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining exactly what natural disaster. The hunt means for you data retrieval, field reconnaissance, or a simulation run. Once done, secure 3 reliable data sources and APIs and assemble your toolkit: laptop, GIS, backup power, and personal protective equipment. Make sure to get any necessary permissions or land access now. Delays derail the timeline. You'll move faster if you pre-configure credentials and test API keys. This avoids interruptions when you'll now collect and validate the core evidence. Start by pulling GIS layers and satellite feeds. Prioritize real-time sensors and trusted feeds like NOAA. In the field, follow your checklist. Secure a safe route, confirm comms, pick a weather window, and carry a first aid kit. Once data arrives, validate timestamps and spatial accuracy, then cross-check with at least 2 independent sources. Make sure to log metadata and sync it to your central repository so nothing gets lost later. You finish by synthesizing what you gathered. Map anomalies, rank each finding by confidence, and prepare a concise summary for stakeholders. Once done, archive both raw and processed data with full method notes and timestamps. Make sure to export visualizations and backup to at least 2 locations. If something goes wrong, for example, missing or corrupted files, immediately requery APIs, check offline backups, and rerun validation scripts. Often a simple credential reset or time-synced restore fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.